Okay, so I'm gonna pop this one off, and Dad, if you can smoke it. These don't matter. But I'm gonna pop this off. And then... Oh, dude, I really glued that.
Whoa.
Here you can see, Carolyn. All this I'm gonna scrape off.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's so cool. Is that honey?
Yeah.
Whoa. They made so much. There's more in here.
Yep, there's lots more in there. Alright, so basically all this has got to go.
Look at this honey.
Yeah, Carolyn, if you... Dad, not again!
I know.
Carolyn, if you want to dip your finger here, go underneath your gown, you can have a little
really
taste.
Good. Even through the window.
There's honey on my finger.
That's good.
Did you taste it?
Yeah. Best honey.
I can
ever.
open for Carolyn. Hold it.
Make sure no bees get in. Oh, you can leave it here. I'll grab it. Look, and Dad, look.
Carolyn, I can open for
Okay.
Dad, here's a little trick. Look at the smoker, Dad.
Oh yeah, well. Now you can taste it.
Merci beaucoup.
Just go.
Hey, that's really good.
Here's some more. I don't know where to put it for now.
Merci, Papa. That's a good trick with the smoker.
Look, he's eating it.
He's not supposed to eat it now.
You can have this honey. This is your food.
It's in the winter they will eat it.
No, they still eat it now.
How they do?
Oh, okay, let's see. Oops, sorry bees.
Want to take this out first?
Yeah, I guess. I think there's still some. It's pretty heavy.
Okay. Oh yeah, there's still quite a bit.
So maybe I thought we would be able to. Wow, it's so warm.
Whoa.
Yeah. Wow.
There we go. Jeepers creepers.
That's a lot of bees.
I know.
Maybe they need another.
Well, maybe I will. I'm gonna take this out anyways and add a frame. What do you think, Dad? We don't really need it. Jeez, that's actually pretty heavy. Just make sure there's no queen looking thing on there.
Whoa.
Okay. So I'll just put this here for now. And this will make it easy for inspection. Holy crap! Look at all that honey. All that rounding stuff is honey.
Whoa.
All this like outer.
Yeah.
Really? Wow.
Do you see a queen?
No. It's hard to tell, with all the bees in there.
Dad, do you mind holding this? I'm gonna scrape off this side stuff.
Did you touch it?
Just hang it. Oops. I don't know if this is asking for trouble doing it this, yeah. If you don't set it down because there's a bunch of bees there.